Okay, here we have it, a 2008 model Putzmeister 58 5-section Z, 5-section RZ boom, mounted on a 2008 Mack MRU truck. We'll zoom in on the serial plate here for the pump. So the truck unit has a fully rebuilt from the Mack dealership engine. It was rebuilt about less than a year ago, I believe. Total bill for that in Canadian dollars was close to $110,000. Not only did they rebuild the engine, they replaced injectors, they replaced a whole bunch of stuff. So it has a 3-year warranty on it. So there's still obviously remaining warranty on that engine rebuild. 18-speed Fuller transmission. 7-axle, the rear 2-axle steer. The last axle actually drives as well as steers. 16-cell pump kit. Pump hours are 5,412. So this is one owner machine. We are the original owners. It's got nearly brand new boom pipe on it. Putzmeister Pro Line 3000 twin wall pipe, as well as twin wall elbows. Less than 5,000 cubic meters of concrete pumped through the new pipeline. It's got the new twin wall swing gate elbow, high pressure elbow, 6-to-5 reducer, and the tangent elbow leading into the deck pipe. The deck pipe, we have a new deck pipe. We did not replace it because this pipe still measured out to be at least 70% life remaining in it. We do have new pipe for it though, just haven't installed it yet. So that could be potentially included, negotiable. So let's have a look up in the cab here. The engine hours are just over 18,000, and the engine itself was rebuilt, I believe, 16,900, I believe, were the engine hours when it went in for the rebuild. So yeah, everything is nice and clean. It's original paint. Primarily have one operator that runs the machine, so he looks after it quite well. Get up on the deck here. His auto greaser for the boom, as well as auto greaser for the pump kit. And we still use this pump every day we need it. Needs nothing, ready to go out, pump concrete tomorrow. Original hydraulic pumps on it still. Servo control. And the backup hardwire remote. We'll flash this thing up and stroke her over a few times here. And that's just the standard self-correction when you first fire the pump kit up when it's cold. Nice and clean. Everything that's supposed to be taking grease is taking grease. Turn the agitator on here. So yeah, that's it. It's got airbag suspension on the rear. Like I said, the last axle steer drive, second to last is just a steer. Axles 4 and 5 are drive axles. And the 3 fronts obviously are steers. This is a afterburner truck, so it's got the diesel, the particulate filter, and that has actually been extremely reliable on this unit for us, especially considering the 2008, the first year to have that, are known to be quite problematic. That part has been rock solid for us on this thing. So yeah, there you have it. 2008 Putzmeister 58 meter 5-section RZ boom, 16 cell pump kit, 2008 Mack MRU chassis, 505 horsepower MP8 engine, 18-speed Easton Fuller transmission, all brand new boom pipe, twin wall, all brand new back end twin wall. Also have brand new twin wall deck pipe, as I mentioned earlier, just not yet installed because the pipe that's currently on there measured out to have plenty of life left in it. So there you have it. One other feature worth noting, this pump has the 4-stage front outriggers, which have the lockout option to lock out the 1 stage, effectively making it a 3-stage outrigger for when you're in the 180 degree working range short rig position. What that does is it stops the short rig side outrigger in line with the fully rigged side, rather than having it sit way up in front of the bumper. So the 4-stage outrigger, it's a nice feature of it. It has that lockout plate option. Definitely helps for tight setup scenarios.